Making a paper cup flower design. Get a paper cup and use it as a flower vase. Then use a construction paper for the flower stems and cut like this. Connect both sides using a glue. Then roll like this until the end. Paste it with a glue gun. Put inside the paper cup. Prepare a colored paper for the flowers. Cut a paper size like this. Then start to fold your paper like this to make a flower pattern. Do the same with other papers. You can add beads at the center to make more attractive. Start to paste your created flowers in the stems. Then add a lace to make details to your vase. You can put a sticker to add more design to your work. Look at your work, it's amazing. You can hang it in your wall to make more attractive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.